How to delete your Waze account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Waze account. For that, first of all, you will need to open your Waze application on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will reach to this page. Here at the top left, you will find 3 bars. Tap on those bars to access the side menu. And from here, you will find Settings option. Tap on this option. Once you tap on it, you will reach to the Settings page. Here scroll down, find Account and Login option. You will find this under Account section. Once you find it, tap on it and you will reach to this page. Here you will find all your account details, your login info, as well as when you scroll down, you will find Delete Account option. Tap on this Delete Account at the bottom of this menu, and now you will need to follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the deletion of your account. Here wait for a while and this page will load. It says that once you delete this account, it can't be undone. By deleting your Waze account, you will no longer have access to your navigation history, points, and saved location. If you are okay with that, go ahead and tap on this Continue button to proceed further. Once you tap on Continue, you will find this page. Here it will ask you if you want to delete your Waze as well as Waze Carpool accounts. Tap on this Delete Both Account option, and again a dialog box will appear. It says everything from Waze and Waze Carpool will be deleted and it can be undone. Go ahead and tap on this Delete Waze Account option and wait for a while. After some time, you will see this page. It says your account has been deleted. You will be logged out from the application. When you open the app now, now your account has been successfully deleted. Deleting your Waze account has permanently removed all your data from Waze servers, including your driving history, points, and the saved location. Now in the future, if you want to create a new account, you just simply have to tap on this Get Started option and follow the on-screen prompts. So in this way, you can delete your Waze account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.